CapCut or Premiere Pro? That was my first serious decision when I started creating content. For a long time, I couldn't decide between CapCut's simplicity and speed and Premiere Pro's power and future-proof. I did a lot of research, and today I want to say that why I chose Premiere Pro. I've actually been using Premiere Pro for years on small projects, so I figured getting back into it would be much easier for me. In my opinion, for a professional future, it's better for you to be familiar with Premiere Pro than CapCut. If I want to say metaphorically, Premiere Pro is the king of edit. If I want to say more metaphorically, Premiere is the Minecraft of the video editing universe. And if I want to say more metaphorically, okay, it's not necessary. Why do I say Minecraft? Wow, I really like that metaphor. Because 1, you can create anything. 2, there are no limitations for tools. 3, the more you learn, the more tools you unlock. Of course, CapCut is very easy to use. Wow, that was a keyframe. But there are some limitations that for me who used Premiere Pro for many years, it's really annoying. There are some limitations, but I don't mean that I will not use CapCut alongside with. I do not talk about prices because my decision is not just about that. First of all, we should not miss Adobe family. The integration with other media editing softwares like Photoshop, Audition, After Effects, Dynamic Link, etc. This is a huge advantage for Premiere. A great workflow in Premiere Pro. Imagine you're going to edit 10 videos each week for YouTube, but simply in CapCut, you have to add anything and everything from scratch. But in Premiere Pro, you can create a project template, folders, sequences, audio adjustments, LUTs, fonts, lower thirds, export settings. You can make ready any new project in few minutes. When the project's getting larger, UI makes it easier to manage. And CapCut has some options for VFX, attractive transitions. However, this feature is limited on CapCut, but creating them in Premiere Pro is time-consuming and it's not really easy. Sometimes you have to use After Effects alongside it.
Run, little ones!
Ah! It's throwing rocks! Run!
You can't escape!
Help, no!
On the other hand, Premiere Pro has more professional interface to work on the projects with complex layers, multicam projects, easier access in projects with external audios, etc. But one of the privileges of CapCut is working with speed RAM that is very easier and faster than Premiere Pro. But you can edit speed as good as CapCut with the same accuracy and even better. Color grading and light adjustment in Premiere. CapCut can only wish. More complex, more accurate. Another advantage, Premiere Pro has countless custom tools like plugins, presets, Mogarties, and others. But CapCut is very limited in this field. Both of the platforms in terms of AI have interesting tools. Well, I'm not just looking for the time length of the projects, but also I like the high quality. So I choose Premiere again. In the field of audio adjustment, the Premiere is the actual winner, and CapCut has nothing special to say. I compared all of them, and at the end, Premiere seems more powerful. Let's remember that CapCut is made somehow for anyone who is working in any field can work with that easily. For example, a baker or a chef, why should it be familiar with the complex settings of audio? The only thing he or she needs is a pinwheel option. Simply, that's enough for him. At last, although I'm working alone and have no team, I prefer the higher quality in the projects and putting more time than just creating a regular project quickly. Sometimes, yes, you tangle in an emergency situation and you have to make simple projects quickly. Or you're on a travel and you have no access to your system. CapCut can really help. For example, a few days ago, my employer asked me to make a simple, quick project. And it was easy to do. It was short. It was just cut and zoom. Here, if I want to prepare my folders and create my files, I would do a part of the project in CapCut in this time. Totally, I can say that CapCut is good, really good, in the class of Instagram posts, Reels, stories or TikTok posts, etc. But if you like to be a professional video editor, look at the other side. If you be a master in Premiere Pro, you can be matched with CapCut quickly. What if you work with just CapCut is working on Premiere Pro? Simple? I don't think so. Simple and quick UI is not the way I want to work. I'm investing on myself, so let's take it serious. I have to say that I really don't like video editing on mobile phone. I really need bigger screen, but actually I can use CapCut Desktop alongside Premiere. Consider that if you want to do just short content creating, maybe my choice is not a good choice for you. Premiere Pro is a Hollywood level software and it's one of the softwares used to edit many Hollywood films. So if I want to work with more complex projects in the future, I would rather get more comfortable with Premiere Pro now. Well, this was my decision to choose my working tool. What was your decision if you were me? Write me in the comments. The video you watched was a short part of the big journey of my professional life. If it was helpful to you, subscribe and do not miss the next videos. I plan to join the academic courses and show you the projects I completed till now. See you in the next video.